Hello guys, this is Shwetang from Varanasi, and today I just wanted to introduce you with a typical dessert of Varanasi. It's called Malaiyo, and it is basically a sweet thing which is mostly available in Varanasi, and we call it makhan also in Hindi. So this is made out of milk, and you can see there are several cups over here, and they're all filled with Malaiyos. So what they do is they kind of boil the milk and then keep it whole night up in the fog, and then they put like saffron, pistachios, cardamom in it, and it is basically like lassi, but it is mostly like a foamy thing. भैया ये मलाइयो जो है रात में आप छोड़ देते हैं ना दूध को, रात में छोड़ देते हैं पूरा, ऊपर कोहरे में ही छोड़ देते हैं. So this is basically available in winter. You cannot make it in summer because it's just so hot. एक पूर्वा दीजिएगा मैं. कितने का ये 30 ना? So I've ordered for 1 cup of Malaiyo here. This is how it looks like, and I'm just going to eat it. So this is just like a cream. It's pretty much foamy thing, and you can also call it an ice cream or something. And trust me, it's very sweet. It's not really good for diabetic, but as you are in Varanasi, you should try it. It is a must try. And it is available almost in any shop, like wherever you go in old town of Varanasi, you can find it probably everywhere. And this shop is known as, क्या नाम है आपके shop का? लस्सी कॉर्नर. लस्सी कॉर्नर. So this is Lassi Corner, and you can also see the name over there on the right hand side. So they also make lassis there. And I have been coming to this shop for around, let's say, since childhood, maybe 25 or 30 years. So if you are coming to Varanasi, this is a must try dessert, and you can also call it makhan. So in Uttar Pradesh, most of the people who are from Lucknow or Kanpur, they would call it makhan. But in Varanasi, it is mostly Malaiyo. And Malaiyo is just like the name comes from Malai, which is the top layer of milk. So it can either be Malai, or Malaiyo is more like Banarasi flavored slang language, you can say. And I'm a foodie. I just love street food. So I would really recommend that if you are coming here, you should try it. And if you just want to see more street foods of Varanasi or cultural things, stay connected on this video or through my channel. So I will be showing you other steps of Varanasi as a local. Bye.